Ready to turn your garage door into a Halloween masterpiece? Imagine transforming that ordinary entrance into a spine-chilling spectacle that will leave your neighbors in awe. Whether you're going for spooky, fun, or downright terrifying, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into 6 jaw-dropping Halloween garage door decor ideas that are sure to set your home apart this October. Let's get started with some tricks that'll make your door the talk of the block. How can I create a simple yet spooky garage door look? Creating a spooky Halloween vibe doesn't need to be complicated. Here are 3 ways to achieve that eerie feel with minimal effort. Shadow silhouettes. Place cutouts of witches, ghosts, or bats on your garage door, lit from behind. It creates the illusion of creepy figures lurking, especially at night. You can even go the extra mile by adding flickering LED lights for a more haunted effect. Spiderwebbing. Use faux spider webs to cover the entire garage door. Add giant spiders for an extra shock factor. This simple decoration instantly gives off a haunted house vibe and can be easily found at any Halloween store. Bloody handprints. Stick removable decals of bloody handprints or drips across your garage door. It's a quick way to bring some horror movie magic to life. If you're loving these ideas so far, hit that like button. It helps the channel out and lets me know you want more spooky content. What are some fun, kid-friendly garage door decorations? If you want to create a fun Halloween experience for the little ones, these ideas will keep things playful yet festive. Monster mouth. Turn your garage into a friendly monster by adding large teeth at the top of the door and big googly eyes above. The door becomes the monster's mouth, ready to gobble up trick-or-treaters. Pumpkin patch theme. Line the bottom of your garage door with inflatable or carved pumpkins, with fun faces rather than scary ones. You can add some faux vines for that pumpkin patch look. Friendly ghosts. Use decals or cutouts of cute ghosts that seem to be floating around your garage. You can hang them from fishing wire so they sway in the breeze, adding a fun and dynamic element to your decor. Got a favorite so far? Drop a comment below and let me know which one's your top pick. How can I incorporate lighting into my Halloween garage door decor? Lighting plays a key role in creating an eerie atmosphere. Here are 3 ideas to level up your garage door with spooky lighting. Projection lights. Use Halloween-themed projectors to cast moving images like bats, skeletons, or haunted houses onto your garage door. These create a dynamic, eye-catching display with minimal effort. LED string lights. Add orange and purple string lights around the edges of your garage door. You can arrange them in spiderweb patterns or as a border to highlight other decorations. Glow-in-the-dark paint. Use glow-in-the-dark paint for spiderwebs, ghost faces, or eerie messages like "Beware" or "Enter if you dare" on the garage door. The effect is especially creepy when the sun goes down. Check the description for more lighting products that can take your Halloween decor to the next level. How can I create a high-tech animated garage door for Halloween? For those who want to go all out and impress the entire neighborhood, high-tech decor is the way to go. Garage door projections. Invest in a projector that casts animated Halloween scenes onto your garage. From creepy graveyards to zombies breaking out, the visual effects will amaze everyone passing by. Smart lights and sound. Synchronize smart lights with spooky sound effects that react to movement. Imagine your garage door lighting up in red as ghostly howls play whenever someone walks by. Motorized props. Add motorized decorations like moving skeletons or ghosts that float across your garage door. These props bring your Halloween decor to life and are perfect for a high-tech display. Want to see more high-tech Halloween setups? Check the description for links to all the gadgets I used. What are some DIY garage door decor ideas for Halloween? If you're into DIY projects, these ideas will let you flex your creative muscles while keeping things budget-friendly. Trash bag wreath. Make a spooky wreath using black trash bags. Cut them into strips and tie them around a circular frame for a ragged, witchy effect. You can add plastic spiders or fake bones for extra creepiness. DIY tombstones. Create tombstones from foam board or cardboard, paint them gray, and add funny or spooky names. Attach them to the bottom of your garage door or line them up in your driveway for a graveyard look. Hanging skeletons. Use inexpensive plastic skeletons and hang them across your garage door. You can even pose them in funny or scary ways to create a unique scene. If you're into DIY, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming Halloween tutorials. How can I turn my garage door into the ultimate Halloween display? To create an unforgettable Halloween garage display, combining various elements will have the biggest impact. Themed setup. Choose a cohesive theme like Haunted Mansion or Zombie Apocalypse. Use multiple decorations that fit the theme, like cobwebs, eerie lighting, and creepy figures, to create a story. Interactive decor. Set up motion-activated props like jumping spiders or loud screaming skeletons. This will surprise visitors when they get close to your garage and leave them talking about your display long after Halloween night. Fog machine effect. Place a fog machine in front of your garage door for a mysterious, misty effect. Pair it with dim lighting and eerie sounds to fully immerse anyone who dares approach your house. Be sure to check out the description for more Halloween inspiration and the products I use to create these epic setups. You now have everything you need to turn your garage door into the most spectacular Halloween attraction on the block. Whether you're going simple, spooky, or going all out with high-tech effects, these ideas are sure to impress. What will your garage door look like this year? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more Halloween DIYs.